Alrighty, gotta love those apartment deliveries. I think my dash is about to end. Wow, did y'all see that? Wow, that was a $3 order. Wow, that's bro. That Chick-fil-A just paid me $3. Bless they little uneducated souls, man. They ordered that food from 12 miles away. Woo, that was rough. That one was very rough. $7. Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro, they better send me something right away. Good to have a GoPro when you out and about. Look at this. We got a fire on the side of the highway, guys. Look at this. Oh, I hope they okay up there. Oh my goodness, man. You got a car right here with the hazard lights on. It must have just happened too, because I mean, I literally rode right up on this. This must have just happened because it would have been a long line of traffic. Wow, this is crazy, man. I hope they okay, man. Cause that thing, that's a lot of smoke over there. Look at that. That just happened. That's crazy. That is crazy. Man, welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dash and Trader, and look, sometimes you wake up, you tired and you ain't motivated, but look at this. Shout out to Trevor Deliveries. Look, I'm sitting here watching his video, look. You hear how amped that is? I was just tired as hell, and now, look. Bro, Trevor be so amped, man. Look, he just made me get all energy. I'm straight ready to do some deliveries, man. Look, day 3, Doordash earned by time. Hey, shout out to Trevor Deliveries. Shout out to the family. Look, today we're gonna be doing day 3 of Doordash earned by time. Look, I'm ready. I got my dash paused. I got a 2-hour shift schedule. Let's see how many orders I can get completed. Now, I'm hoping that I can extend it at some point today, because you gotta realize, what's today? Today is Thursday. And I figure if I can get out early, maybe I can actually get 15 orders done. The time is now 12:49. Can I get 15 orders done? Let's see. If I do 3 orders per hour and then I work for 5 hours, then I should be able to get 15 orders done, right? Let's see if we can do it. I'm currently sitting at a 40% on my acceptance rate, 5.0 customer rating, completion rate is 94%. If I can get 15 orders done, that'll put me at a 55% in theory. Because we all know that it's a rolling 100 deliveries, right? So even though it's been going up steadily because I've been doing earned by time, I haven't declined nothing, right? Hit that 50% mark, you gotta realize you gotta be careful, because it could start to go down at that point. Let me hit this light. Bow! Gotta hit that light for you sometime. So for all my new dashers out there, look, I got a tip for you. When you're trying to raise your acceptance rate, right? It's gonna go up when you in the really low percentiles. Like, it's gonna go up fast. Like you might be at a 7%, right? You do 1 order, you may jump up to like a 13%, right? You may be feeling good, like, yeah, this is working out. Like, I'm ready to get on up there. But as you get closer to that 50%, it's gonna start to move slower and slower. Then you get to like 60%, it's gonna start to slow down. And really, once you start to approach 70%, that's when you really gonna start to take notice, because here's what you gotta realize. DoorDash's acceptance rate is based on a rolling 100. So what is a rolling 100? That means that based on the last 100 deliveries you've done, that's how they determine what your acceptance rate is. So if you decline the last 100 orders, you're gonna have a 0%. But let's say you do 20 some orders in a row, you know, and you raising your acceptance rate, right? But you get to a certain point and it just stopped moving, right? Once you get closer to that 65, 70 percentile, your acceptance rate is gonna move up slower, because you have to get over that hump of that last rolling 100 orders that you declined. So you have to get to a point where you actually have completed more than 70 orders in a row for it to keep going up above 70%. And then you can be to a point where, yeah, you can get back to declining 1 and doing 2 or 3, and it still will go up. But I found that when you raising that acceptance rate and you initially going for that push all the way up to that 70 percentile, you have to really be careful, because that rolling 100, that rolling count can really mess some people up, and it can discourage a lot of folks. Because it hit me a couple times where, you know, I thought I was gonna be able to hit that 70% or 80%. As I got closer to that number, you know, my percentage moved up incrementally less. So every order that I completed no longer gave me a full percentage point, if that makes sense, in terms of trying to raise it. You know, hey, look, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I've mastered it, but these are the tips and tricks that I've learned throughout my time dashing. it ain't just clear cut like that. So I always like to keep in mind when I'm going for Top Dasher, give yourself an extra day. Try to get that Top Dasher the day before the last day of the month. That way, when the last day of the month comes, they don't freeze your stats and you stuck at 69% like Trader was. But look, I've been to the hot spot, and I'm just playing. I was heading up the street to my little corner, my little hole in the wall. But then they sent me to McAllister's Deli for 6 miles. But look, that ain't no 6 miles. You see that map? Man, I got that. All right, McAllister's Deli, order number 1. They had that thing ready to go. Seem like that's the trend with these earned by time offers, at least the ones I'm getting. And if history repeat itself, that means that it's probably gonna be a nice high base pay, right? And it also, you know, it's just gonna be a high base pay. We gonna other day, first order of the day, got it done. What we got right there? $6.25. We got $1.45 tip, $4.80 base pay. As to be expected. Kind of weird that it's only showing pretzel. That's 11 miles. Now, you know what? I've been taking 11-mile trips. I really have. But that one is going too far north. It's going to take me out of my zone, and I'm trying to get orders done. So, look, I'm going to make a calculated decision. Look, I'm going to go ahead and decline one. I haven't even been declining. I think I'm gonna go ahead and decline this one because I want to try to get something done, and I don't think I'm gonna get a lot done if I do that. Woo, I think I done messed up today, man. I think I done messed up today. So first, the GoPro decided to glitch on me, and y'all saw me decline that one, you know, 11-mile order. Tell me why the next order came through is 13 miles. 13 miles. And I'm trying to raise my acceptance rate, so I can't decline 2 in a row. They're gonna kick me off the shift, and I'm not gonna be going up if I hit 2 back to back. Hawaiian Bros. 3 items, 13.4 miles, man. I'm hurt. I got a screenshot of it though, but I'm hurt. I'm here now. I'm in Hawaiian Bros. I'm about to slide up in there and get this food and drive. I hope this not a 26, 27-mile round trip, because that's gonna be horrible. But I think they're gonna have this ready though, because ain't no way it's not ready. This is 13 miles away. It ain't. I'm about to slide up. No, here they come right now. Matter of fact. Aloha. Aloha. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing all right. What's the order for?
Let's see. They got me on this one. It's for Anna.
Anna?
Anna lives very far away.
Does she?
Yes, she's in Wood River, I believe.
Holy shit.
And she ordered all the way over here. And yeah, Anna hungry. Thank you though for coming out. I appreciate it. 13 miles away. No, it's not the first order. This is the second. Should have just took that other one. All right. Well, at least it was a lot of highway miles. So it's gonna be a lot more highway miles. Hold on, get that. Boom. All righty. That was far. That was very, very, very far. Alrighty, let's get ready to drive 13 miles back. So my first order was $6.25, so this at least gotta be $6.75 because I definitely been out for a full hour. Let's see. Woo! 12 bucks for 13 miles, 13.4 miles, 28 minutes. 12 bucks. I mean, it could have been $6, I guess. Oh man, that was. Hey Google, navigate back to where I just came from. Oh man, that was rough. I don't even know what I was expecting to see to make me be happy for that trip, to be honest with you, because it's not like I was expecting it to be a $15 order, $15 payout or a $20. I wasn't expecting that, so I don't know. Like, it was 12 bucks, and I wasn't even expecting it to be that much, and I don't even know how I feel about it. Like, I'm finna just head back. I got an 8-mile drive back till I'm even in the edge of my zone. Let's get it done. Time is now 2:36. I've been out all this time, got 2 orders done. I was able to get in for another hour, 3 to 4, but I gotta wait at least until what, 2:45 before they even let me in on that one. It's gonna be rough. I guess it's just gonna be a rough day today. They not gonna make it easy to get over that 50%. We got 4 items, 11 miles, and Wasabi Sushi Bar. The only good thing is right over there. That's the only good thing, but All right, let's get it. 22-mile round trip, because that's definitely taking me out of my zone. Order number 3, stop playing with me. But you know what? They is playing with me, though, because look, they not making it easy to get over 50%. We at Wasabi. Gotta get this 11-mile order done. This is crazy. I'm not even finna stunt. Look, I'm not happy about this at all. But Doordash do not like me, man. Is this what it's like on the other on the other side of the coin? Because I ain't never done so many 10-mile orders in my life. I have not. I said I was doing the Doordash challenge, and this is definitely gonna be a challenge right here, because let me tell you, look, I don't care how you slice it, I am not making profitable trips right now. From 23% all the way up until where I'm at 42, these trips ain't been profitable. I've been barely making enough to put gas in this car and not lose my mind when I'm dropping off these orders, because I'm gonna tell you right now, man, this is brutal. I don't recommend this for the faint of heart. If you need to make money and you haven't been doing Doordash and you considering doing this, understand you may be putting yourself in a position where you ain't finna really make no money. So I need you to really understand that before you decide to raise your acceptance rate just using Doordash, because this is brutal right here. This is not for the faint of heart. I'm almost about to pop a blood vessel, but you know what? I'm gonna hold it together because I signed up for this. But man, I'm trying to tell you, look, if you ain't ready for it, man, shoot. I kind of prepared myself for this, right? So I knew I was gonna be doing this because I did last week, you know what I'm saying? Just cherry picking. But even though I prepared myself, man, look, I'm finding myself getting a little frustrated. I said, you know what? I'm gonna keep an open mind. I know it's gonna be some stuff that I normally wouldn't take, and I'm gonna see after the fact. But it's still difficult. I couldn't even imagine if I had to straight up accept them on the face value. Because look, when I lose my dash, what you gotta realize is, if they let you back in, you may just have to hit dash now. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do this by earn by time, because that's gonna be the easiest way to get this done without suffering so much. You know what I'm saying? With as least suffering as possible. But okay, and after we end your dash, we'll let you back in, but guess what? Now you get dash now, and now you got to see, oh, you want to raise your acceptance rate, huh? Oh, you thought you was finna get some good orders? Well, now you got to see all these low payouts up front and accept that. See how well you doing it. They could have done that. And you know what? I'm happy it ain't that way, because man, that would make this exponentially so much harder. I mean, man, because that first order I did yesterday, $8 something base pay on something that's not a shop and deliver, no tip. And then I got one the other day too, $6.09 tip. Oh, buddy boy. But you know what? I'm gonna quit complaining. Look, I made it 12 miles. Hello, let me sit it over here and take a quick picture of it real quick. Okay. All right, 12 miles on that. Excuse me, Mom. I'm gonna take it to the side right there. Bless they little uneducated souls, man. They ordered that food from 12 miles away. Woo, that was rough. That one was very rough. $7. Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God. How? Oh, bro, they better send me something right away. Oh my God. Doordash, you should be ashamed. $7 for 11 miles. 30 minutes on that order. And it wasn't even a guarantee I was gonna get another order back to back. That's ridiculous. They $7. Now they was kids, so I get it, but oh my God. Why? Let's see if this McDonald's, that order was $7 base pay for 11 miles. That is crazy. At least like 7 minutes, they've been fumbling up there. That shit crazy. Don't pick up from McDonald's. I don't care how good the order is, cause your ass will be waiting. This app is kind of glitchy today. I got my next order. It said 3.4 miles, 3 items right over here at Chick-fil-A. But I literally picked my phone up to get ready to record the screen. It just accepted it. I mean, I'm not mad, but it's really touchy today. I don't know if I need to restart the app or restart my device, but we got an order. Chick-fil-A, it's the first short distance delivery I've had in I don't know how long. I just knew it was gonna be long distance. And man, I cannot take no more of those. I need to get something to eat, cause I'm hurting out here for real. But we right here by Chick-fil-A. We finna slide up. Alrighty, gotta love those apartment deliveries. I think my dash is about to end. Wow, did y'all see that? Wow, that was a $3 order. Wow, that's bro. That Chick-fil-A just paid me $3. What? How? Bruh, that Chick-fil-A literally just paid me $3.80 in base pay and no tip. Cannot. I cannot, man. This is horrible. This is absolutely horrible. Like, for real. Like, this, I ain't made no money today. It's 4 o'clock. I've been out since 12:30. I done made $38. I ain't even made $10 an hour. This is horrible. And I ain't even at 50% yet, man. I'm not having a good day today. I'm at 44. And my dash is ended, so I can't even keep working. I'm not scheduled to go back in eat until 6. Oh, man. Not looking too good. It is not looking too good. I can't even work. Wow. That's crazy. Well, I got me some Chipotle. Sat here for like 15 minutes and ain't nothing opened up on the schedule. So I guess I'm gonna have to call it a day right there. We made it to 43%. And that's all. It might be 44. It's probably gonna be 43 when I look at it though. And I think that's the highest I'm gonna be able to get today. I do got another scheduled shift for 6 o'clock, but that's for another couple hours. So I'm gonna go home, take a break, and I'm gonna get this mixed down as day 3. And if I can get back out for tonight, I'll make that day 4. But this is day 3. Not looking too good. I didn't get too many orders done. Wasn't a lot of consistency with getting orders back to back. It is what it is. This is what you're gonna deal with when you're below 50% on DoorDash. So hopefully on that next shift we can get it above 50 and we'll be in good shape.